Hello guys, and welcome back once again to my channel. The name is always GH Fame. In today's episode, I completed the doors installation for my 3-bedroom apartment after the painting was completed. In the complete painting episode, I mentioned that the doors are not ready due to the weather conditions here, which makes it very hard for me to finish the spraying work. Finally, I got it done and ready for installation. The parts of the lockers were disassembled before the spraying work begins. Before I packed them up, I carefully identify each locker with their names written on them so that I don't mismatch them with their doors. I bought multi-lock for the entire doors because of their simplicity. Disassembling and assembling this lock is very easy. They also add a premium look to the door. Since there are many lockers in town, this is still a matter of preference, but for me, I prefer the multi-lock. You see, even though they are the same, but I still carefully mark them. This is how I arrange the things. I package the things. I pack them so I don't forget anything. So this is their keys, their lockers. You know, I keep everything. This is how I like to keep my things after they are being disassembled. It helps me know exactly where I took them off. I started with the hinges installation. I bought a brand new set of silver hinges and a bunch of fresh Lone Star screws. I completed the installation with the locker. After everything, this is the final outcome of room 2 wooden door. This is before . And this is after. I installed the rest of the wooden doors in the same order. After the up and down, this was the final installation of my wooden doors. When you look at the finishing of these doors, I really took my time to get the best possible outcome from it. I never rushed in painting these doors. I took my time to get the best result. So when you look at these doors, they are looking very premium. I've made a video on how to spray your wooden doors to get the factory finish, which will be uploaded after this episode. So you can also watch and learn from that episode, and you can spray your own doors by yourself. Learning how to do it yourself will help you develop skills in craftsmanship. It can also help you save a lot of money. When you look at my painting episode, I did the entire painting by myself. I saved almost 6,500 Ghana cedis. And 6,500 Ghana cedis can do a lot of work on this project. So if you learn how to do these things by yourself, guess what? You are really going to save a lot of money at the end of the day, which you can use this same money in doing other stuffs. So I'm very glad that I can do a lot of things by myself as we speak now. I installed my own chandelier by myself, which I was to pay workmanship of 2,000 Ghana cedis. And if that 2,000 Ghana cedis enter in my pocket, you know what I can do with it? I can do a lot of things with it. This has also helped me in decorating my own space by myself without spending a lot of money. When you come to my apartment right now, there are a lot of changes that you have not even seen yet. And I know you will see them in coming episode. So the apartment has really transformed. It has really transformed. If you enter here right now, I bet you never want to leave. You will never want to leave, especially in my studio. I'm designing my own studio space. And guess what? As we speak now, the vibe that the studio is even giving is crazy. And I'll bring you the cost of designing my studio room and the process of how I design it so that you can also learn from it. If you are able to decorate your own thing, it's really going to help you, because remember when you experience in decorating, like remember when you experience in room arrangement, room decoration, people find it very hard to come by. Decorating room, no, and yet easy, sir. You may end up even destroying the aesthetics of the room. And for me, before I even start the painting process, I did a lot of research about colors. Which color can blend this? Which color can blend this? I am mad dynamo busy. You can enter someone's house and the whole place feels busy. Ufaha as a busy ya inzo ni na ye paint na omo choose no. So choosing paint is very difficult. Like choosing the right color no. Say open white they are fine. If you want to paint your whole space all white, fine. But if you want to blend colors, you really need to do a lot of research. If you want to blend colors, you really need to do a lot of research, because so one year researcher, you may end up buying the wrong color, which is not going to match your previous colors. And yes, I understand. I'm not busy. You understand? I see people painting their rooms yellow, yellow and other colors like that. Those colors, no, they are very nice, but one who blend there, I'm not busy. And then I offer her as a dynamo akunya crazy, but akunya BNC. So in as much as you are also trying to do it yourself, you have to do a lot of research to choose the perfect color, the perfect paint, the perfect finish that you want. So learning how to do this yourself, it will really help you. And who spray na sanya fa 1 hour you can change the color. Into any other about learning to do it yourself. Here, so if artisan say on spray doors mawa. Obey me spray doors no. Obey we na won't color no. Okay, kasi see na. Obey one when is a dead day. Obey so hard drink cry. But ube chane council when him say ube to yapa. But on who is a hana drink. What I say? Who is a hana drink. But here's the case: say if you are able to do it yourself, guess what? One hana drink. Color way, you just mix another color, you paint it. What I say? Some doors we say because I can change the color to white, any color I want. But one thing is say you look at the color of your architrave no. Now they are borders no. So what's the same colors umuna? I don't know. And my blend nation down for ye. But one thing I also like to add and say who paint was whiter. Yen painti architrave no so white. Esa na Emma contrast beyond doors name. Sano when I'm a door no. Ufa you will never see the door, you understand? Like Ubi rather than now owns a door crampony because was nene doors ne color no a pet. They are blending together. But as a doors no ebese different color. Ubi rather than won't say, there's a contrast in the room. Color we were a blend way. So when you enter inside my corridor like this, you will see that the POP trims were painted ash grey, the doors and the architrave was painted charcoal grey. So these two colors no, they are identical to each other, but baako eye deep na baako ema grey vibe nankasa. So you should know how to select colors, know how to choose the perfect finish for your space, and also learn how to do it yourself. So guys, that's all about it today. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do. Share your ideas and thoughts in the comment section. The name is always GH Fame, and I will see you in the next episode. Enjoy the rest of the video.